Hello, this is Wen from Periodic Lab, and today we're going to make Matisse drop earrings. These are going to be fun, large statement earrings inspired by Matisse. First, we're going to need some Shrinky Dink, some Sharpie for tracing, scissors for cutting the Shrinky Dink out, hole punches for the jump ring, and some pliers that I got from Walmart for like $1, nail polish for color, E6000 glue, jump ring, and the earring back. Step 1, Google and print off Matisse leaf earrings. Just Google it and you can make it as big as you want. 2, trace it out with a Sharpie. Put your Shrinky Dink on top and just trace it out the outside pattern and with a dot. 3, once you're done with that, cut it out and avoid the Sharpie parts. So make sure once you get it, you'll have a clear one. Number 4, mark and punch the holes. These holes, when they shrink, will be the size great enough for a jump ring. So 5, bake and shrink. Follow the instructions for your Shrinky Dinks and play around with it. You'll see here from the size that it's actually quite thick. That's the original size and that's what it shrink down to. And the Shrinky Dinks is quite nice and thick for actual jewelry, which I really like. So number 6, paint and dry. In my case, I actually use nail polish that I like the colors of, more of these poppy colors. Pick whatever colors you want. And have at least about 2 layers of nail polish on them, dry between layers. I find nail polish is most concentrated in color if you're going to use anything. If you want to use Sharpies before it dries, that's fine too, but it's just not as clear of a coat. And after we're going to paint and dry, we're going to add on the jump rings. So you see the hole has shrunk down, but it's perfect size for the jump rings. Jump rings are great connectors that are really common to use in jewelry, and basically it's just opening up the circle and closing it up again. They come in packs of about 50 or 100. They're actually really worth it if you plan on making more than one pairs of things. For these earrings, I'm actually going to have like a stud back, but if you wanted to, you can put hoops in as well. So we're going to glue on the earring back, and in this case, what I always like to use is E6000. It is just the best jewelry glue for a majority of surfaces, and you just apply a little bit onto the earring back, click them together and push them on the back. It just takes a while to dry, but when it does, it's on there pretty permanently, which is very nice. At this point, all we're doing is waiting for it to dry. After this, it will be done. I also made some other ones, like a palm tree one and various size for the Matisse ones. Be careful with the sizing of your Shrinky Dinks. Figure it out for yourself. It will be more a statement the larger you make it, and the way it curls up sometimes can get quite tricky, but this is the end result and I'm actually quite happy with it. I have worn these earrings out on multiple occasions, and from afar and from photos it looks really nice and sturdy. Please subscribe and like if you liked this video and found it helpful. I also have a bunch of other Shrinky Dink stuff just because I want to use all 50 of the sheets I have. And I guess I will see you next time. Thanks!